to our Vivo event.
Estamos encantados desde España, me parece que es un evento increíble, la recepción ha sido muy buena de Beijing, la verdad que estamos encantadísimos y estamos disfrutando mucho del evento.
I will describe the Blue Gala rather is magnificent. It's so beautiful, it's so majestic.
Thank you Vivo for all this Blue Gala event, and thank you everyone to organize such a beautiful event. Thank you.
What I feel right now is I feel so emotional. I think this exchange activity is so meaningful, so cherished, and so appreciate this chance.
Really, if this is the homecoming, I really saw where my birth was. Thank you so much.
Fuego, las chispas por el cielo, el espectáculo ha sido la hostia. Sí que es verdad que al principio
me ha sorprendido totalmente, pero me impresionó muchísimo.
That is very amazing, or I wish each and everyone to please do the best and come to China.
This is the most happiest moment of my life.
Beautiful in terms of that everything. That entire cruise event is one of the best parts.